All right, we're out in Isanti, Villages on the Rum, 802, Winsome Way. You're about to experience the Mia. The Mia is a detached townhome in Villages on the Rum of Isanti, like I mentioned. It presents you with 1,278 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. And as you can see, a nice open floor plan, custom cabinetry, and all of the basic living facilities on one level. So kitchen, living room, dining room you just saw. Here we've got laundry room off of the 2nd bedroom. So good sized room. 2nd bathroom. And then over here is the master bedroom. Walk-in closet with a transom window for a little natural light. And then the master bath with a 3/4 shower. You'll see that we use larger windows just to help get a little extra natural light into these homes. This one does have a walkout basement, so we'll take a look at that. It is unfinished. But it gives you quite a bit of square footage to work with here. And you'll notice that we use floor trusses, so you've got a taller ceiling in the lower level, which is nice. It does walk out. And then you've got room here for a bathroom, and obviously your mechanicals, which are always carrier furnace, Brown air exchanger, April air humidifier, and a Rheem water heater. This one could be yours for $275,000. So, if you're looking for a detached townhome with some room to expand, this is the deal.